Give me the synopsis of the lights.
What would you like to know?
I'm really good with doing this stuff.
Good morning, it's Alex here with Landvista Aquascapes. We are here in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, cleaning this 11 by 16 pond. We got Joe over here testing some water. I got my dad over there handling, filling up the pool, the holding tank, so that we can take the koi out. We've got a few dogs over here, sniffing me. Whoa there. You got a mouth on you. So this is our day for today. It's a little soppy and gross, but we're gonna push on through and get this pond cleaned. Hopefully the sun shows today. I checked the weather and it looks like it's gonna come out, but stay tuned. We got our time lapse right there. Hopefully it looks good. Alrighty. Alright, so we're out here at the job site. We are in the midst of the COVID-19 outbreak. We are practicing social distancing. We are practicing sanitization protocols. So we've got some spray bottles in the trailer that we're gonna spray down all of our equipment, everything that we touch down with, so that we don't spread between us. Basically, we're lucky enough to be able to continue to work, but we want to make sure that we're abiding by the CDC guidelines and, doing our part to not spread the virus. So we also, Joe and I, drove separately from my dad, who drove the trailer, so that we weren't all crammed into a cab, potentially spreading it between us. Not that any of us are sick. I've been down with a little bit of a cold, but most likely not the virus for the past week. But just to make sure we do our part, we've been maintaining social distancing, and we'll continue to do that the best that we can in this clean out and throughout the clean out season, so that we, like I said, so we do our part and continue to be able to work. Alright, so we're at the point where we're flushing. I got the biofalls pad here, and we're actually flushing with the pond water, so that we're not flushing chlorine-based tap water through it and killing off the bacteria colony. That's the word I was looking for. So that we're not basically killing off all of the good ecosystem that has flourished over the past year.
So there are 4 3 watts in this pond. Okay, we have 2 in the bottom and 2 on this top shelf. We got one that's a little dim over here that we're going to replace. This is the time of the year that we come out. We drain the pond down. Perfect time if the lights are out and lights need replacing. Easier on us and easier on your pocketbook if we do it now.
And they're under warranty, right?
They are under warranty. This pond was built 2 years ago, so our lights have 5-year warranty. So yeah, that's a little dim. So we're gonna just replace it out for a brand new one.
Okay, so we're wrapping up here, breaking down the pool. Pond is full. Just checking to make sure all the equipment's functioning properly, waterfall's running, and we're gonna pack up and head out of here. It doesn't look like the sun made an appearance today, but this sun did, so.